Biggest création monter la caillou avec un nouveau look, un nouveau design. If you like it, share and give it a thumbs up. This is Biggest Création. Let's get started. What I got for you guys, I got a Vanity Tray. So, when you're on cabaret, vous utilisez cabaret ça, quel que soit côté, dans la caillou, vous pouvez mettre sous table salon, vous pouvez mettre dans la balle. You can use it anywhere. You can use it in your bedroom, you can use it on your table, in your living room, and then you can use it by your bed to put your keys or your phone, like everything you want to do with that. So that the way I try to make something look gorgeous for you today. You see I spray, I go outside and spray everything in gold. Everything in gold. The sign you see I made at Dollar Tree, it was for the Thanksgiving. I see that. So I said, let me buy it. Maybe I can do something with that. And then the tray box I buy at Goodwill. And then I say, I'm gonna do the tray today. Make the trick for you. This is Biggest Création. Now I'm going to be using E6000 and glue gun to make the video fast for you. I use most glue gun, but I put a little bit of E6000 because it's going to be stay longer. And then I use some glue gun, and then you can use wood glue. You can use wood glue to put that too. So that's I use to put everything together. So everything you got home, you can make it with some cardboard or box. Tout bagay que ou gen la caillou ou ka changer yo l'autre façon. Et puis moi te gen chaîne ça yo moi t'ai acheté depuis longtemps pour me faire valise. So valise yo pas gen en fait. So moi utiliser yo pour faire décoration là-dedans. Et puis tout bagay que ou là-dedans. Puis faut bagay yo on pied dans bagay yo pendant Dollar Tree. Et puis l'autre bagay yo c'est côté que m'acheter. So, c'est ça que nous voyons dans la vidéo là. Nous commençons à coller tout le bagage. I glue everything one by one to make sure you see what I'm doing. This is Biggest Création. Share with somebody so you can just share with your friend and then tell them to subscribe. If you love what I do, if you like what I do, if you see the gorgeous, the things I do, just subscribe. Don't just watch it. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Leave your comment, and then I get to answer you. I make sure you have everything. You see everything I do today. Some E6000. C'est la E6000 non ka utiliser dans qui pot bagay pour surtout dans glace. Ou ka utiliser dans glace la durée tout. Et puis glue gun c'est pour bagay qui face. L'on fait un bagay qui est vraiment face ou utiliser un petit glue gun là-dedans pour faire les coller plus vite. Si on fait une vidéo, pas la vidéo avec tout longue. Et puis après, on peut changer maillot, on peut changer design. So this is my design. So I don't see that nowhere. I try to create everything. I don't see that nowhere. I just create the same time I do the I go outside spraying it. I say, what am I gonna do with that? I'm gonna make a tray, but I don't know what I'm supposed to do. So, and then I tried it, and then I say it's coming look good. It coming look gorgeous, and then everything you see inside the tray, I make it by myself. I buy some stuff at Dollar Tree, and then I got some perfume. I put some design perfume too, and then to make the collection look better, look good. So I put the perfume inside, put a little design, put a little bling. You know, maybe création like bling. So I put a little bling. So seulement quitter comment tout yo et puis m'après pour nous. Souvent quitter commande qui j'aime pas faire connaître qui ça me fait pas bon. Moi besoin support, moi besoin attention. Regarder vidéo. Just give me a thumbs up, leave your comment. I appreciate that. So just I'm gonna keep you keep going, show my ability, show my talent, show everything I got, and then learn to with so some people on YouTube, learn with some people on Facebook, learn to that's make my work look a little bit different, because I got my own idea, but I still watch some new stuff, some new people, some new crafty, some new designs some people do. So I love that too. So I make sure you share, and then give me a thumbs up. This is Biggest Création, and thank you for subscribe too. Thank you everyone subscribe, and then ça nous là c'est en barrette. Moi acheté dans Dollar Tree, and then I say let me use it for the design, and then I use it. You know, Biggest Création use everything she see. My God, everything. This is my Biggest Création. Quittez nous finir regarder toute vidéo et puis quittez un thumbs up pour moi. À la prochaine.